Hi everyone, welcome. Today's date is January 9th. You can watch my live trading sessions on Zoom, YouTube, and TikTok. Let me be very clear from the start. I trade live using real accounts. This is real money, real market data, and real results. On my screen, you will always see the real date and time, live market movement, and full tracking through TWR Bot. There are no demo accounts here. Everything is open, real, and transparent. Now, let me explain what makes us different. Our focus is stress-free trading. No emotional decisions, no overtrading. The TWR Semi-Auto Bot works with preset take profit and stop loss levels. This means your risk is controlled before the trade even begins. So there is no panic, no emotional trading, no revenge trading, and no chasing losses. Just calm execution, discipline, and control. This system is designed for traders who want consistent results, not gambling. The TWR Bot uses our powerful A++ tunnel-to-tunnel strategy, built to give traders confidence, clarity, and control in every trade. If you want to trade live with me every day on Zoom, contact me now. Every day, you can see the real results from our premium group members, including real daily trades, official certificates, and real payouts from funded accounts. These are real traders with real funded accounts earning real payouts. TWR Bot offers fast trade entries, built-in risk control, and results you can actually see. Less stress, more control, better decisions. Here is our performance for October, November, December, and January. And this proves one simple truth. Discipline plus consistency equals results. That's why traders around the world are changing the way they trade. If you have any questions, or if you want to try the TWR Bot, send me a message right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the live trading session.